What can destroy the kraken? What would you do if you were faced with a massive, mythical sea monster? Would you try to fight it? Run away? Or just hope it goes away? In this video, we're going to explore the kraken, a legendary creature that has been the stuff of nightmares for centuries. We'll also take a look at what it would take to destroy this fearsome beast. The kraken is a giant squid-like creature that is said to live in the depths of the ocean. It is often described as being as big as a ship, with tentacles that can reach up to 100 feet long. The kraken is also said to be incredibly strong, and it has been known to attack ships and drag them under the water. So, what could possibly destroy such a powerful creature? Well, there are a few possibilities. One option is to use a powerful weapon, such as a torpedo or a missile. Another option is to try to lure the kraken into a trap. And finally, you could try to find a way to weaken the kraken before attacking it. Of course, there is no guarantee that any of these methods would work. The kraken is a mythical creature, and we don't know for sure how powerful it is. But it's certainly worth a try if you ever find yourself face to face with this fearsome beast. The kraken is a terrifying creature, but it is also one of the most fascinating. If you ever have the chance to see one, be sure to take a picture. And if you ever have to fight one, good luck. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay safe and keep exploring the world around you. You can add visuals to your video, such as images of the kraken or footage of ships being attacked by sea monsters. You can also add sound effects, such as the sound of a kraken roaring or a ship being dragged under the water. You can also use music to create a suspenseful and exciting atmosphere. You can also add a call to action at the end of your video, such as asking viewers to subscribe to your channel or share your video with their friends. By following these tips, you can create an engaging and informative YouTube video that will keep your viewers entertained and informed. I hope this helps.